Hey, let me show you how you can fix this pairing issue with your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3. So as you can see, each time I tap on them, I've got this notification that they cannot communicate with my phone. And to fix this issue, first we have to go back from the Bluetooth on our device and then simply turn it off. Just turn it off for a few seconds to basically restart your Bluetooth. Then just turn it on. Next, you have to close this case for a few seconds. Then simply open it, and now click and hold this button just like that until this indicator starts blinking white. Right now we should be in the pairing mode. Of course, before the pairing you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the case for around 10 minutes, and then you can try to go to the pair new device, take a look for available devices list, and select right now your FreeBuds Pro 3. Try to pair them right now, and as you can see right now we are connected. So yeah, tell me if it works in your case. Bye bye.